JJ27 here in Corona-fested Las Vegas. As you can see behind me, there is the Caesar Palace. It is empty and there is no kids to interview. This is hot. There's nobody walking on the streets. Like, wow, so we can't even interview people. Since there's no people to interview, we're gonna go home and build Honey a box fort.
A what?
A box fort.
A what?
A box fort.
Where?
A kitty box fort.
Oh.
Meow. Wow, this is usually packed with people. Waterfall. Corona time. Okay, cut that. You can cut that part. Corona time. We're just gonna take the Cobra before we go home and build Honey a box fort. Because, well, we haven't driven a little. Okay.
Make a video. Say, hey, I came to visit myself. My grandma.
I came to my grandma with the Cobra. Apparently she was sleeping. I woke her up, so that's bad. Oh, look how good that looks. Got the Cobra badge. That looks nice. I like it. Let's go. This is our kitchen. I'm making like a tour video.
You're doing a tour of the house?
And then if you come over here, this is her laundry room.
Ta-da.
Is that washer dryer or is that dryer washer?
It's for her to know and for you to figure out.
I know. And then the garage.
Okay.
I don't know why I'm making a tour.
I know why you're making a tour as well.
The living room.
Oh, there's our Christmas present.
Oh yeah. And then yeah, here's the room to the bathroom. We're back home because of the coronavirus, so we can't really go interview kids. So I'm gonna build my cat a box fort. And well, here's my cat. Here are the boxes we got. So we got, I think, 6 boxes, 7 boxes. Yeah, we got 6 boxes. And well, she already has kitty condo and kitty corners, but like she's too fat to even get up there. So we're gonna build her a box fort. These are the colors that we got. These are the colors that we got. We got purple, darkish purple. We got white.
Cat's going for the camera.
And then we got blue. And then we got regular duct tape, which we won't mostly use this because it's kind of boring. So we're gonna mostly use these colors. Let's go build. She's so adorable. She's so cute. Okay, let's get this down. to get all the boxes flat, and then that's what we did. Now we need to think what rooms we're gonna do and how we're gonna build them. So I'm thinking of doing the living room, the master, the kitchen, the bathroom.
The kitchen, the bathroom. Is Honey Buns going to be using the bathroom? Are we putting her cat litter in there?
Yes.
I don't think so.
So, yeah.
Let's just make a 2-bedroom condo?
Yeah, let's just make a 2-bedroom condo with the living room, some cool things.
All right.
A balcony.
Balcony.
Ooh, I just got a good idea for the balcony.
All right, let's see what you do. Come on.
Okay. The living room should be this big. And then we have... Okay. Yeah, wait. It's gonna be like this. This is gonna be the little door where she comes in. 2. This is gonna be all cut out. Then
Ooh, what color are you gonna use?
I'm going to use the first color that Honey picks. So I'm gonna line them up in a straight line like.
Where's Honey? Honey, come here. Oh, she's on the table resting.
Yeah, we'll get her later. I need to cut this part off, so this will be the door. Honey's inside. I think she likes it. Look, she went under. Okay. So this is supposed to come down in like this. You can close it whenever you don't want her in there, and then you can open it. So now we're gonna have to pick what color Honey's gonna use. Honey, this one or this one? Those 3. This is difficult.
She got in from the back door, Jay.
Well, we're gonna keep the back door.
How many doors is she gonna have over there?
She's only gonna have one.
Okay.
One main one to get in. Come on. This is gonna be really difficult. I think we're just gonna use blue for right now. So we're gonna tape all of these, even the back. So we're gonna tape the back, we're gonna tape this, we're gonna tape this. So these are like that. We're gonna tape the roof. So yeah, let's get taping. So we taped this box. The bottom box. We cut out a hole over here, duct taped everything, and then at the top we put a little hole and a hole on the bottom so she can go through. And then we got a little cute I don't know how you call them. It's a roof, but like triangle roof?
Gable
roof.
It's a gable roof.
It's a gable roof. Right now, I'm going to build another room. I don't know what room this is. This is probably going to be like her little, that's the living room. So, I don't know. But like, we're going to have it against the wall. And I'm going to make a balcony out of this. This part that I cut off where's the part? This part. Cut off this part off the box, and then I also cut off this part, which goes right here. This is the underneath, and then this goes like this. So I cut off this part right here. And then right now I'm gonna tape it to the box, and it's an open box. Let's see. So we finished our box fort. As you can see, we got our little balcony. It's gonna be right here. Maybe she can jump down, come up over here. And then, we got this, I already showed you. We got Honey. I'm writing her name, I'm in the process. I'm gonna color it in with red. As you can see, I colored it in with red. and the N, and then I'm gonna write the E, and then the Y.
Where's the door, Jay?
The door is right here. Right.
How's the poor cat supposed to get in there? You taped the door shut.
I know I did. Fixed.
All right.
So now we can go in. Which, well, I can't go in. But you want to know who can go in?
Honey Buns?
No, you guys. Wow, it is pitch black in there. So, I'm going to finish with this box fort. And I'll see you guys when I finish. My friend gets on at 6. I'll rotate.
JJ, what are you making?
A window.
A what?
A window.
Oh.
Cause like it's barely dark, as you guys saw. Trust me. What I need to do. Don't you guys just hate when this happens? You gotta go. You gotta rip. Pick that up later.
I hope so.
I'm just gonna take some. This one I can fix easily. I forgot this stuff too. Thank you all so much for 100 subscribers. If you like this video, please subscribe and like. And now we are going to take you on a tour. Okay, so we have the front. Her name is Honey, aka Honey Buns, aka Fat Sack. And then we can close the door.
What's AKA stand for, Jay? Also known as. So what is she known as?
Fat Sack.
We call her Fat Sack, right?
Yes.
Yes.
So you can close
and Honey
the door.
Buns.
You can close the door. You can open the door. And if you come in, come on. We have her living room, another room. She has a little thing to go up, which we can't show you, and then she has a room over there, which this is her room that comes up. And then she has a little balcony. Let's say she just wants to be on the balcony. Let's say she just wants to be on the balcony, so she jumps up here or she jumps over here, however way she wants to do it. Then she gets on to the balcony. And we have where's the window? We have the window right there.
And another room over there.
Yeah, we have another room over there.
So how many bedrooms?
1, 2, 3, 4.
That's way too many bedrooms.
3 bedroom.
No, it's 2 bedrooms. Where's the kitchen?
Oh yeah, the kitchen is that.
All right, go get Honey Buns. Let's see if she likes her kitty condo. Oh, didn't you have something for her?
I have something for her. Since she was being an awesome cat, I have a little mouse.
Oh.
So let's get this open.
That's not a little mouse, Jaden. It's almost the size of a rat. But it's a pink rat.
Well, aren't rats' tails pink?
I don't know.
There we go. We got our mouse. It's a cute mouse.
What about the actual cat, Jay? Do you want to go and get the cat?
Yes. She'll like that. Wait, is that the head facing? Yes. Okay, let's go get the cat.